Pre-reading, meet Ron. Ron McNair was an American NASA astronaut and physicist. He was only the second African American astronaut in the NASA program. Think and talk. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy to answer. Would you ever want to be an astronaut and go into space, and why? Okay, going to go ahead and wrap it up in 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. As a child, Ron loved reading. Listen to find out how Ron was motivated by the love of reading to make a change in his town. On the next slide, you're going to click here to read Ron's Big Mission.